If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making the 56 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we are going to be making LUNI KHURUMA. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are about 1 cup of wheat flour or atta, 1 teaspoon of carom seeds or ajwain, 2 tablespoons of ghee and a quarter teaspoon of salt. Now in a large bowl, add all the ingredients and combine them really well. And after combining them really well, take a small portion in your hand and tightly squeeze it. And if it holds the shape, then it's perfect. So now we can add 1/3 cup of water, then knead it to make a hard dough. Just like this. Now let it rest for at least 15 minutes. Then after that, take small portions like this and shape it like a ball. Now gently apply some pressure to shape it like a disc. That's it. Now similarly make others. So for frying, take lots of ghee or oil in a pan, set the flame on medium to low and keep the flame constant at this temperature. So once the oil is hot, add the khurma one by one and fry them till they are golden and crisp, and they're done. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad, LUNI KHURUMA. So do try it at home and share your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.